Hi guys, Happy New Year everyone, advance. Hi oh. By the way guys, today because I did not do for the kid to playing that during the Christmas, so I have a lot of no have stock for my store, because I'm going yesterday there in the town, but a lot of people guys, I need to buy a grocery for my store, but a lot of people there, so I'm so tired to buying something, then a lot of we don't have stock there, so now my store is a little stuck. Hi oh. By the way guys, today is 31 of December. Today is the last, so I preparing guys there the table, because I prepare for the new year. Yes, and I buy also some candy, because maybe the 5 o'clock, if not hot outside, so I let him to playing the kids. Yeah, just a candy guys, because I buying yesterday candy there in the town, but in Altoras a lot, with too much we don't have stock. So by the way, so I need to prepare for the kids games here. I don't know if I can do games, because I don't know how to speak, and then just playing to just I need to some give it for candy. So look at guys my candy. So this is guys the lollipop, so I have a lot. This one is it's not too much, but I think their kids, they are happening, so I need to listen to playing the kids outside. I need to preparing guys. So this is my table guys, I prepare that one for the night, because because we have a friend for January to come here, so I need to prepare. I did not know if he came for dinner time. Just me and John are here, and I think my Nana Cho, my neighbor, she want to came here to eat dinner. What we see guys. So guys, that one is my prefer, but I did not finish guys, so I did not finish to I put it, but not yet. I preparing here. Look, yes, this. So I need to preparing, but gender there outside. Oh, I'm waiting for the kids because I need to playing for games today. So that is John here. Dong, balian na dong. We have
doa namin vlogger to.
Nana sila? Hi man si James.
Ay, nito eh. Ah?
Yes.
Oh, na mga bata.
Mag-games na ran. Mag-games. Apawi lang mo din. Kami lang gagawin.
Dito na kakuha ng galmay ba? Dire. Tapok James. James. Dito. Tabangi. Da, bikasan.
Taga naman ko te. Taga rasod ko. Tagaan naman ni tay. Dapat kami na.
Kami live, period. Hindi pang kuha.
Iwan mo na tarong liat. Kami na ba te? Iwan.
Bago na? Di,
May vlog. Night vlog test.
mga ulit ang kindi.
Hoy, ang gagmay, ang vlog po, Mix. Next.
Larga!
Hula! Ito sa bagay, ang gagmay mo nito, ha?
Sige na, oy! Shane! Hamag! Hala! Paldo! Ala! Ala!
Wala po slan.
Hindi.
Yapil ko ila.
Paldo, paldo. Paldo, wala, paldo. Wal, ila, paldo. Ila, tama, paldo. Paldo. Ikaw, James, paldo, paldo. Oh, paldo, paldo. 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 Yat, sama yat. Paldo. Miko, paldo. James, anong masasabi mo, James? Na marami kang candy. James? Ha? Masaya ka ba, James? Ikaw, Miko, sa'yo mo makasulti, Miko nga. Daghan makakindi, Miko. Ina, thank you. Ikaw, boy. Linya, linya, linya.
Linya na. Linya na, linya. Linya, linya. Linya. Hoy, ikaw.
Linya, guys.
Hoy, una gagmay. Linya, una gagmay. Dire ulang niya.
Linya, tarong, linya.
Apir gid, apir ka daw dagmay.
Oh.
Layas. Layas mo, layas. Layas. Mama. Layas. Bisa pa niyo. Magam, layas. 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 Layas.
Ay, naman yung tigo. Ay. Di na ko ay. Dera. Okay ra. Dere sa mo guys, tapok. Kay mag-thank you ta.
Dapa, ako rin ipa. Kuhanin nila.
Oh. Ikaw man ha, tapok dira niya.
Ang maserte ah. Paldo. Paldo.
Ala. Paldo. Dali, diri, tapok. Tapok. Diri, tapok, Miko. Dito. Patubang sa kamera. Tapok. Tapok doon, Camila. Doon. Tapok mong tarong bas. Tapok kong tarong. Diri, diri. Ana. Ina, thank you, Timonina. Sige, what's up? 1, 2, 3, go.